Hello YouTube, this is Johnny. This video I'm going to quickly show you how to hard reset your Samsung tablets, and this would work on other models. In my case here I have the SMT 210 tablet, and what you see here is very simple process that we're going to go through. In my case here the user forgot their password, so what you're going to do here, you're going to click the volume up key and the power button plus the home button, hold them at once. So I'm going to hold my power button, the home button, I've held it, then I'll press the volume up button, then I'll click the power button. When you see the screen going on, as you can see, you release the power button. Then you hold it until it goes to recovery mode. Then it has gone to recovery mode, then the iPad, our Samsung pad will come in the landscape mode. Then after here you have to choose which, in the recovery mode, the procedures that I'm going to show you. So you're going to go ahead and click the volume down key to navigate down. Then you go to wipe cache partition, and then to wipe the cache partition here. Then the next step, you're going to go to wipe data and factory reset. Then you click down and say power key to accept, volume down to navigate down. Then after you click the power button, then this is going to flash the whole phone, and this is going to delete everything on your phone, and you will to come back as if you have bought it from the box. So thanks for watching. If this video is helpful, please subscribe to this channel and comment. If you need any help, I'll be able to answer you within a few minutes from now. So thanks for watching. Have a nice time. Goodbye. Don't forget to restart your tablet so that it goes back to, it restarts and install everything. Thanks for watching. Have a nice time. Goodbye.